kids, how are you all? Let's learn some colors. Sky blue color, brown color, violet color, royal blue color, hot pink color, orange color, peach color, yellow color, and last one is red color. I will draw now a very cute and yummy cake, birthday cake. Which color is this? This is black color. I'm outlining the cake with the black color. Let's start drawing. These are sweet candles. Candle number 1, candle number 2, candle number 3. One eyes, two eyes. Here is our beautiful yummy cake ready. Now I am going to color it with colorful colors. Peach color, peach color. La 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 la. La 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 peach color. Now I will use pink color, hot pink color. What color is this? This is hot pink color. Yellow color candles. Wow, so beautiful and yummy cakes. Thank you for watching.